Alex Lee. It's an honor to be here and present you with my project. My project name is Ubiloan. So UB means ubiquitous. It means everywhere and every place. And loan is business we're engaged in. So Ubiloan is a pronunciation is like you belong. We want to create a community that everyone belongs to. And use one sentence to describe our business is that every digital asset holder can unleash the potential of their digital assets and get loans from our protocol. So I don't know if you believe this. I believe in the future, a large portion of the personal belongings will consist of digital assets. But right now, the Web3 space don't have property rights systems comparing with this physical world. So we want to build, our vision is we want to build the financial infrastructures for digital assets. The entrance is the peer-based lending protocol we're engaged right now. And in the future, we will launch a buy now, pay later service. And through the actions, we will accumulate data and we will build a user credit system and we will do asset evaluation system because only after valuation, we can give the LTV or give to the collateral rate to different category of assets. Here is our mechanism. So basically, you can take this as you can see this as an NFT version of RV. Instead of use ERC20 tokens as collateral, we use utility NFTs, especially game NFTs as collateral. And you can get instant loans after you stake NFTs into this protocol. And both parties, depositor, liquidity provider, which is, and also the borrowers will be incentivized by our native tokens. And compared with the peer-to-peer model, you can get instant loans because there is so many competitors doing peer-to-peer lending. Although we are still around the project, we already finished our mainnet. Right now, we are under safety auditing. And here's our landing page, here's our user interface. So we are proud to announce we are not only build a product, but also we put forward a new EIP standard, which I believe will change the landscape of NFT-Fi. So right now, every NFT-Fi or DeFi, when you borrow money for the protocol, you have to transfer the ownership of your collateral to the protocol, right? Because if you don't pay the money, the protocol will liquidate your assets instantly. But our new EIP standard will allow you to keep the to keep your asset at your wallet while you borrow money from our protocol. So it's like we introduced the mortgage system into the Web3 because we don't need to transfer the ownership of our house to the bank when we're borrowing money from the bank, right? You still have to live in it. You still have to use your assets. So imagine this: when you use your Alex Infinity as collateral, and when you stake into our protocol, we will do our interactions with our protocol, and you can still keep this asset into a wallet, and you can still play with it. At the same time, you can borrow money from us. So we're changing from playing while borrowing, or playing or borrowing, to playing while borrowing. And this graphic shows how we create incremental values for this system. So, for example, Alice, she has 3 Alex Infinities worth $1,000. She can do nothing about it, just to play to earn, which means $100 income per month. But she can also stake her NFT into our protocol, and according to our loan to value, she can get like $300 to $500 loan. She can use to buy more assets in other games. She can just cash out for daily use. She can also buy 2 more Alex Infinities for to play to earn, which means an additional $194 per month. And she only need to pay around $6 per month. But if she failed to pay the loan, we will have a multi-channel liquidation system. We do auditings. We also incorporate automatic market maker to do very smooth and swift liquidation of those game NFTs. And also we sell those assets to the guilds because they do renting business. So they have the incentive to purchase those assets at a discounted price. And this is our community. Right now we have already over 20,000 followers in our Discord, and our users is scattered around the world. This is roadmap. We're pretty strictly stick to our roadmap. So in the Q4 last year, we launched our testnet. We collect feedbacks from our community, and then we submit this EIP 5604 standard. And the next milestone of our product is that we're going to launch our mainnet in the Q1, and we're going to launch our tokens in the Q2. This is our core team. Okay, I'm Alex. I'm a serial entrepreneur. This is my third company. I started social software companies when I was a postgraduate student. And the second company, we developed SaaS softwares And this is my third company. And this is my co-founder, Alan. He is also the lead author of the EIP standard. And he graduated, after he graduated, he worked in Alibaba. And he founded an AI chips company before. And now he just works as CTO in our company. And this is our team. We're pretty scattered around the world and work remotely. And this is our partners. We are the top incubation program of BNB chain. And also we're in the incubation system of the KuCoin Labs. And also we have Marlon Capital as our backer. And these are the top game deals around the world and some of our investors. And our vision is that we want to empower the first 100 million gamers and digital asset holders to let them benefit from their digital portfolios. Thank you so much. That's all.